Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nest Pensions UK. Review my usage experience. Nest Pensions UK. Review my usage experience offers a platform for UK workers to manage their workplace pension contributions through the Nest scheme. It's designed for individuals who contribute to a Nest pension, providing a way to track contributions, view statements, and manage their pension pot. Key features include online account access, contribution tracking, and statement downloads. Their website provides details on contribution limits and other relevant information. It boasts a streamlined online process, aiming for ease of use and transparency. While Nest is a government-backed scheme, the website highlights the security and regulatory compliance aspects of the service. Access is available to anyone enrolled in the Nest pension scheme. Details on enrollment can be found on the Nest website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nest Pensions. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged in using my government gateway credentials, which was surprisingly quick and straightforward. The interface is clean and intuitive. Finding my contribution history and current pot value was incredibly easy. I really appreciated the clear visualizations showing my contributions over time. The performance has been excellent, the website is consistently responsive, and I've never experienced any glitches or downtime. I had a quick question about my projected retirement income, and their online help section answered my query comprehensively. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the ability to download statements in PDF format was very helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make accessing my information on the go much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Nest Pensions. It's a simple, reliable service that provides all the information I need to effectively manage my pension. That's my overview of Nest Pensions UK. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.